This is no problem, theory based only. So I started a recording from here only. No need to record with any other things. Remember guys, what is ITIL? The point is what I'm trying to say is ITL. We are already seeing the DevOps. Actually, I should not connect DevOps with ITL. But in a DevOps, we have seen SDLC, Software Development Lifecycle. That is only belongs to develop the software or a application development or a mobile application development or a server means web server application development like this. That is belongs to a software or application or operating system point. But ITL is for a whole industry, whole organization to small part of project also. ITS belongs to either a project or whole business. So that is ITL. IT means information technology, infrastructure library. Okay, infrastructure library. Actually, I have a PPT is also there in F drive, and desktop also have some information. So this is the first one, ITL introduction. Okay, so ITIL in IT infrastructure library. You can say IT infrastructure library or information technology infrastructure library. So whenever you telling, so we have to tell completely, right? Infrastructure library. We know what is infrastructure, right? What is meaning of infrastructure? Servers, routers, switches, cables, IP addresses, storage devices, power related kind of stuff, right? So you put all the infrastructure information into your library called a ITIL. The direct meaning is that one. Okay, you put all infrastructure related information into a library, into a one documents in table or a database is a ITIL. Very simple direct point, but the original definition is there, so we'll go to that definition. I'm a spelling wise like BRABRY library IT infrastructure library. Okay, so this is the definition of first point of ITIL, guys. This is what we have to remember like this. I'll tell. The question is, what is ITIL? ITIL is a IT infrastructure library or information technology infrastructure library. ITIL is the most widely adopted approach for a IT service management in the world. ITIL provide a practical, no-nonsense framework for identifying, planning, delivering IT support IT services to the business. Okay, that is the first point. What is the question? What is ITIL? ITIL is a information technology infrastructure library or a IT infrastructure library. ITIL provides practical, no-nonsense framework for identifying, planning, delivering, supporting IT support to the business. Okay, so what is this? Again, I will write. No, I don't do anything. Just no additional points. I will add it. So don't worry. Okay, this is point number 1. This is point number 2. Okay, next. What is this? This is the benefits of using ITL. What is the use of this ITL? Or a benefits of using ITL? So ITIL benefits. Itl benefits. What are the benefits of using Itl? It improve IT service cost. Guys, simple example you have to take in this one. Okay, like a internet speed. Think like a internet speed or a cloud services, IT services, web services, mail services, storage services. Okay, these are all IT services only. What is IT? What is non-IT services, guys? Anything is related to the computer, internet, network kind of stuff is IT service only. Now you can order a food for, in a food industry, right? So right, Swiggy, Zomato, you are ordering. Food is a non-IT service, but you are using IT service. Got the point? Okay. Importance of IT service. I think people are disappointed or confused or gone also. I said it is very important. For there are a lot of possible questions. People gone. Tell your guys to join again. IT, are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Screen visible,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, I'll resend. Okay, now. So we can take any example to understand ITIL, like a Zomato, Amazon. Okay, where is Amazon? This is Amazon. Email services. Okay, Amazon, Flipkart. It is cost is much reduced, 6,700. Only one thing is you have to attach a graphic card. Again, you have to add at least some 2 GB graphic card. It is cost is high. This is cost is low. But this is good processor compared to my 9 process, 9th generation. This is good process. See, this is very good. So 11th generation process support. It is 10th generation, but both are same. LGA 1200, and there is a SSD of 250. It's a totally 1500. You will get a processor, motherboard, and SSD. Still, it is again. I have to buy. A lot of things. Now, so this is also good. Okay, so Amazon. All of these things are IT services only. So what is this improved IT services by here? Guys, understand the things is like this. Look at here. You order a certain things like a from Zomato. Okay, so you'll get a mobile app, or you can order it from the web application, right? So there are providing interface. You order something, you selected your order. Once order is confirmed, that money is like a so payment is confirmed, order will be confirmed, the order sent to the respective server, and it is sent finally to the hotel. Their order is printed, then they have prepared things, and delivery guy will come to your home and deliver it. This is nice process, right? So how to do this thing? How to do these things? What is the importance of this one? What is the importance of this one? So normally when this is started, like a, I will tell a story about Amazon. Amazon started selling books. Myself and my diploma, I am trying to buy a books belongs to biomedical engineering because my diploma is biomedical. I'm trying to find a books. Okay, so it is difficult to find even in a Hyderabad. There are also telling a lot of money. So when I searching it, it is showing Amazon. I thought Amazon means it's like a forest or some other kind of stories. What is this Amazon? We don't understand that. That is in my diploma. So 2000 year 2001 to 2003 time. Okay, that time we don't know what is Amazon kind of stuff, but that time only it is started and selling books online. So that time people think it is a foolishness. It is a foolishness, including Netflix also same thing. Like instead of selling DVDs, people are giving a streaming media. So then that is foolishness. Now what happened? Everything we are nowadays depends upon online shopping only. That in Corona we are doing that one only, right? So this is the process. How to control this process? How to improve this process? How to improve this process? What is the compliance management if you are your food is not delivered on time, or what? How to complain it? Your money is debited, but order is not confirmed. So how to do it? Order is confirmed, but it is cancelled automatically. Okay, so how to do it? So compliance management, improvement in a certain areas. So then business will be improved. You know, a lot of people came into market, like Uber Eats came into market. A lot of people came into market, just like online deliveries. Some are available, some are unable to do it. Now other also came, like Zomato, no, Donzo, Ginzo, Donzo. Like so many are there in the market, but not everyone is successful in the business. It depends upon lot of things. I understand the point in IT services. Okay, so they improved IT services. This ITL, so use of this ITL to improve the IT services, reduce the cost, unnecessary cost investment, unnecessary cost management will be reduced. Okay, unnecessary cost investments. Okay, unnecessary payments, unnecessary additional things will be reduced. Improve customer satisfaction. Okay, of course, what is the next part? Through the more professional approach to service delivery. You know, how much costliest, how much big thing is it is. It is, for example, you have an iPhone and you have a something very big costly mobile phone, and there is a normal mobile phone. Customer will satisfy if they have a getting any issues, if they will satisfy if they got a service. You know, when I purchase a Lenovo mobile phone, Motorola mobile phone, so people are asking only one questions: what if anything is happened to this mobile? So do you get any service warranty? Where is the service centers are located? If you purchase in online, you don't get a service. So these many questions will come up, right? So customer will get satisfied only when if there any issues occur, immediate support is there. So then automatically customer satisfaction increases. Okay. Yeah, there is a one best example is Nokia featured phones. Intel things, but I told you Nokia feature phones like this. Okay, like this kind of mobile phones. Anybody remember these phones? Okay, not
Yes,
these
sir.
models, old models. 1100. Anybody seen in a childhood days?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so recently I purchased from Nokia only. That is 3310 mobile. No, not this one. Not 3310. 3360 or what? I'll put in Nokia then it is. It will show you everything. Okay. Not this much small, but it is like this. This is 5310. This is recently means 2 months back or 3 months back. I purchased it. My father is using now. It's a new mobile phone. Okay. Yeah. So this is what I'm trying to say. It's a future phones earlier from Nokia. You know, it is a most trusted mobile phone If you want to buy a mobile, you ask someone and without thinking, they'll say buy some Nokia model 1600, 2600, 1100, okay, 2314, something. What are the name, what are the number they got it? Buy Nokia only. Don't buy Samsung, don't buy Motorola, kind of stuff. So why? Because of there is a two or three reasons are there. The first reason, of course, the product performance. Second one is battery backup. One time you put a charging, don't no need to worry about 2 to 3 days. Okay, so it is a more days charging will come up. What is the most important one is service. Okay, one thing like a Nokia, every place, including so any large towns, even the small towns also, weekly they will come and collect the mobile phone for a services. Okay, so service availability, direct service, Nokia service availability. Next, if service warranty is completed, you can repair it from any shop. In others, the component availability, equivalent availability is not there. So Nokia is not, don't want to claim everything should be belongs to us. They said like the service can be available from any place. So the product purchasing is increases. People trust. Very less members are having mobile phones that time, but still people want to buy a mobile. That is Nokia mobile phone. That is the very important in the customer field. See, it is only few points, but I'm explaining very big lengthy way. But customer satisfaction, when it is customer satisfaction, if you provide a proper professional service delivery, service support, if you provide, improve productivity. As a simple example, Nokia only. Improve use of skills and experience. Improve use of skills and experience. Guys, I will explain all these things again, but look at here. What is ITL? ITL is a IT infrastructure library, provides a practical no-nonsense framework for identifying, planning, delivering, and supporting IT services to the business. So this is the point number one. Point number two, benefits of ITL. So improve IT services, reduce cost, improve customer satisfaction, improved productivity, improved use of skills and experiences. I said now I will explain it again. I will explain this point. This is an important point to explain. Okay, will come, but not now. Okay, I will be back there after telling you. Guys, this ITL is not any particular technology owned by anyone. It is not belongs to Microsoft, it not belongs to Oracle, it is not belongs to any organization. Of course, earlier days this ITL has there is a lot of issues occur in telephone departments and later IT departments. IT failures are occurred. So then lot of observations. So IT field, about IT field, 1 second guys. Okay, so look at here again, I'm telling this story. You know, earlier days till now, you know, you started a business, like you started a IT business. There earlier days there is a lot of business opportunities for starter. Everything is a startup only, including Microsoft. Okay, so hardware builders, software, operating system, internet service provider, network things, different type of businesses in the IT field is came, but not everything is not stable. Long term, they are unable to survive in the industry. So what they have done, so there is some people come together and start observing from successful businesses and failure business also. Observations from successful business and failed businesses also. So they give a certain suggestions. Again, these suggestions are applied on industries. So again, they make some observations from the industries. Again, they rewrite things like that. They have done almost 3 to 4 times. Then our ITIL version 3 become more stable version outside. Now the current version of ITL is ITL version 4. Okay. So here it is. To use the ITL, you no need to pay anything to anyone. To use the ITL, you need to pay anything to anyone. It is a non-proprietary. ITL is a non-proprietary best practice in industry. Proven activities are process that has been successfully used by multiple organizations. Practical approach to service by adopting common framework of practical that unites all area of IT service provision towards single aim delivery value to the business. Vendor neutral means any person, any organization can use ITIL. So this is the characteristics of ITIL. Of course, you can jump out of characteristics of ITL. Sorry. Jump means that is not a main point. Okay. So if you don't read it, if you understand 3-4 points, that is enough. So you know to concentrate, answer everything. I have to learn, remember kind of stuff. Not required. So understand what is ITL characteristic. It is a non-proprietary. It can be applicable any IT industry, applicable to any IT industry. Okay. Vendor neutral. It is like a sir, I belongs to Microsoft organization, my partner with a Oracle organization, anything. It should be a IT organization. That's it. Only IT organization. That's the only one consideration. And there are a lot of things to tell, but okay. Yeah. Okay, we'll go back a little bit. So ITL, if you learn ITL as a fresher, you can write a certification. The certification provided by APMG. APMG, it is basically a UK governing body only. This is a examination partner, like a training partner is a QA. There is a 40 questions, 26 answers. We have to make it within a 1 hour. So this is a certification point. Okay, so then sometimes you have to show there is nothing wrong in it, right? Huh? See like this. This is a certificate at the time of 2015-16. Now everything is digital certificates only, no offline certificates. Luckily mine is the last certificate. You will get a pin also. This is the certificate. Okay, I done in a 2015 version 3. Now version is 4 is there. So these are my Microsoft related certificates. Okay, this is only one different certificate. Okay, see, I said no. There's no nothing wrong in the show. So importance, here it is. ITL has a 5 life cycles. ITIL 5 life cycles. ITL has a 5 life cycles: service strategy, service design, service transition, service operation, and continual service improvement. Continual service improvement. Again, what is ITL? IT Infrastructure Library. It's a practical, no-nonsense framework for identifying, planning, delivering, and supporting IT services to the business. ITL has a 5 life cycles: service strategy, service design, service transition, service operation, continual service improvement. I said no, I will explain this kind of stuff here. Okay, so to get this point, I'm adding this point here. Okay. Service strategy, service design, service transition, service operation, continual service improvement. I am explaining with the above what is ideal statement. Service strategy, guys, you want to start a business. Before you start a business, important thing is you have to put a question. What is the purpose of this business? Okay, what is the purpose? What business you want to start, right? That is, we should know, right? You want to start a construction business, or a hotel business, or a software development business, or a mobile application development business, or maybe a telephone support kind, okay, or a outsourcing, only problem solving, or maybe institutions, like training in industries. You have to identify the business. You have to identify the business. Identify the business. Yes, first of all, you should understand what business you want to start, right? Next, identification or identification of project, identification of business, identification of user requirement, users requirement. Check the demand. Check the demand in the market. So what is the demand? For example, I will tell. So this is my favorite one. Okay, it is, I'm maintaining from so many years on my desktop screen. This is the favorite one.
Mute to about word.
What it is? Which eggs it is? Orderless eggs, herbal eggs, and it is not made by chicken, it is made by Dr. Consul's Argo. And there is a red color also, so maybe, okay. And if you break the egg, it is not a white and yellow kind of stuff. It is something like a gulab jam and something you will get it. Orderless, herbal, organic eggs. It's not a chicken eggs. Maybe they will take it from somewhere. Okay, rich in vitamins and minerals. Since 87, they are cheating. Okay, first time in the world. Never. Do not think it is a WhatsApp. It is the picture taken by me. If you see these shoes, the shoes belongs to me only. Okay, so it's my shoes only. It is in Hyderabad, Pragati Nagar. So Vijayata supermarket it is. Okay, you can see this. These are the stall belongs to leaves part, and there is a egg tray also there in bottom. This is when I open, I got this laugh, herbal kind of stuff. Okay. So I have some other picture, but I missed some more pictures. So this is not a picture. Okay, no. This is the picture only. I have another picture which is in my mobile phone only. So I didn't put that one. So that is picture is. It is oil. At a Corona time, I went for a shop for oil. That is immunity booster oil. Immunity booster oil. Okay, if I got a chance, I will show you. Okay, so immunity booster oil. So you take directly, you can have a oil and inhale it, you'll get it. Okay, even advertisements, Patanjali, Dantakanti, the Dabur kind of stuff, Doberman kind of stuff only it is. That is a business. So demand, business, what people are thinking, what is user base, what type of user purchase your product. Launch a product which is not having anything, it is just a toothpaste only, no salt, nothing is there. It is just a toothpaste only. It is only used to clean your teeth. Who will buy? What is keep people in mind? It should be Ayurvedic. Ved Shakti should be there. Okay, so people don't know what is Veda or what is Ayurvedic also, but we will Ved Shakti should be there. It should contain everything. Okay, including biryani, masala, chicken, mutton, everything. Like you brush your teeth, so then you like it is you are having everything. Okay, okay. So so that is what people are demands, right? Demand, finance, financial situation. Financial situation, money management. Okay, these are very important. And outermost important is planning. Important points are there: identifying and planning. These are all belongs to service strategy. Depends upon identify your business, plan according to it, and also check your demand and financial situations in the things like do you get a bank loan, do you have a black money, okay, do you have some other extra income on it, so do you want to rotate the money from your business, that is kind of stuff. Yeah, I said correct only. Financial fee nan yeah. When you have a fear, then we'll put everything inside. Yeah, very good. Another fear. Okay, financial management, demand management. So that is will comes under here. So guys, understand what is service strategy. What is strategy? The meaning is strategy. When you start a business, you must know what is the business, identify what is the type of users, demand, financial things, everything, and how to start the business, point of success, everything you have to think before you step in. So that is a planning. Next is designing. Design according to it. Designing depends upon any changes required, any observations from the previous projects, any observations from the previous projects, any observations from the others project. Okay, observations are inputs. Take it and design according to it. Based on your design, remaining things are dependable. Okay, based on your planning, you do design. Based on design, remaining life cycles are available. Guys, understand up to here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next
Yes.
one is transition. Transition means development, and release and deploy or deploy. At least develop and deploy. Develop and deploy. At least we can say develop and deploy. Okay. Operations. Operations means supporting. Supporting. Like if you got a problem, you call to the call center and you ask, my internet is not working, or my application is not loading. Okay, I am unable to connect my mail server. So that is, so other person will give you a response. That is called a supporting. Monitoring, troubleshooting. Okay, so monitoring and troubleshooting. Okay, so there's a main things, other points also there. So that is a very important, guys. Already I told one our project related kind of stuff in a DevOps type. This is another point like a service desk, non-service desk. There is a terminologies in service operations you should understand. That is I will tell tomorrow. This is it supports, it collect the information from above life cycles. It collects the information from above life cycles. Analysis. Analyze it. Okay, it collect the data, analyze it, and it improves. Otherwise, you can say you can support and improves the above life cycles. This is the main point of your ITL. So again, we'll come back. Now we're going to start. Okay, ITL, IT Infrastructure Library. IT Infrastructure Library, guys. First of all, understand ITL in a simple manner. You want to construct a building, you want to start a business, or you want to provide a service. For example, internet service provider is there, already there. Now you want internet. You approach the service provider. So he will check it. Like, he will say, yeah, there is a new connection is requirement is came. Then follow the ITL life cycles. Or I want to start a IT means I want to start what we can say internet service ISP provider. I want to become a ISP provider. Now already there is a lot of businesses running with a internet service provider. So what is my differences? How to identify which area very less customers are there? What are the amount I have to invest? Okay, what is the demand for that business? So these are all things I have to take it. First of all, identify. I want to become ISP, internet service provider. So I have to plan according to it. I have to design it. I have to develop it, and I have to start giving services to the people and monitoring it, supporting it. So keep troubleshooting if any issues occur. So troubleshooting it. Okay. So then, so observe what are the things are going on. So take that information and understand where is the problem is occurring. So then we have to put a required development in the particular area. Understand which area you are not focusing more, or not improving, not doing well. Exactly, say a certain area is not doing well. So analyze it, why we are not doing well. Improve in that point. Then your service will be improved. Then your service will be improved. The improvement of services improves productivity. It improves productivity. It improves customer satisfaction. Of course, it reduces the cost also. This is the whole point of your ITIL, guys. So ITIL is provide a practical, no-nonsense framework for identifying, planning, delivering, and supporting IT services to the business. ITIL has the 5 life cycles: service strategy, service design, service transition, service operation, and continual service improvement. To understand ITIL life cycles, service strategy, I will put it here for make it more easy for you. Okay, so this makes more easy for you. Okay, so service strategy is about to identify what project you are handling, or what new business you are starting, what business you are implementing. Okay, so that is identifying, planning kind of stuff. Design according to it, develop your project, and deploy it to the customers. Once you are done and deploy it to the customers, support, give the proper support. Any issues are occur, find it, solve it. Okay, give bharosa kind of stuff. Yes, if you take the service from this particular organization, so we don't need to worry about issues. Okay, the issues may not be occur, and maybe it will be solved. So whatever it is you are planning, designing, there is things are there, whether it is good outcomes, bad outcomes, issues, kind of stuff. So we have to observe those things and analysis, improve in a certain area. So then your service improvement will occur. Okay, so we can improve the customer satisfaction, productivity, and use skills and experiences. To use the ITIL, so what happened? To use the ITL, so you don't need to pay to anything to anyone because it is a non-proprietary, best used in a industry. A lot of organizations are benefited and successfully run their business based on the ITL life cycles. So it is applicable to any IT organizations. It not depends upon in a particular organization type or a business kind of stuff. Okay. So whole ITL point is the business. You guys understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. The people came back. That's a good thing. So maximum. Okay, these are other information when ITL is started. Okay, when it is merged, when is the first version, when is the second version, when is the third version, kind of stuff. This is the world PPTs. It is up to third version only. Fourth version is not given here. The fourth version is the life cycles are changed. The life cycles are given like a value to the customers kind of stuff only. Okay, so less satisfaction, more value delivery to the customer. That is the only main concentrated. First point is the life cycles. Okay, what is the ITSM? ITL, IT Infrastructure Library. What is this in ITL about what is ITSM? IT Service Management. Services are means of delivering value to the customer by facilitating outcomes. Why we are providing a service? You went to a mobile shop. Okay, you went to a internet service center, or maybe okay. So why it is splitted like this? It is not given properly like it is. I didn't prepare. I taken from my previous organization. Okay. Services are means of delivering value to the customer by facilitating outcome. For example, you want a refrigerator. So you have to go to market, buy a spare parts, or you have to manufacture your own refrigerator. Right? We are not doing that one. We go to shop, we pay money, or we are going to Amazon. No need to go to shop also, right? That's what I'm trying to say earlier. So you have to go to Amazon. Okay. So select which refrigerator you want it, pay the money, automatically refrigerator come to your home. Home delivery is there now. No need to go to shop also. Okay. Meaning is you're delivering a value. So value like you're facilitating something to the customers. Important. That's the main important of IT services. Customer want to achieve without ownership of specific cost and risk. Like, yeah, I said, I want a refrigerator. I don't need to build it. I don't need to build an entire refrigerator industry and for my one single refrigerator. Very simple, go to market or go to online, order the refrigerator, it come to your home. Not required ownership of total cost or specific cost or a risk you don't need to take. This is in ITSM, this is another point is people want a quarter-inch hole, not a quarter-inch shield. The meaning of that one is, okay, meaning of that one is what people want it. For example, I order a food, I should get a food. I don't mind how you prepare, how you transfer it. So the guy is telling, sir, I'm carrying by bicycle, sir. It will take only 2-3 hours. So just stay hungry for 2 or 3 hours. You don't die. If you die, I will deliver to your dead body also. Like, you know. So that kind of people also there. One guy made it like that. I ordered a food in Swiggy. Okay, it is almost delivered after 2. Not delivered also. I ordered at 12:30, so it's supposed to be at least delivered by 1 o'clock, and it is 1:30, 2:30, 3 o'clock. At 3 o'clock also it is not delivered. I have to start the class by 2:30, so 2 o'clock only, because 1 to 2 only. Now it is online. I given a 1.5 hour to 1:30 to 3. Okay, earlier like we have a only 1:30 to 2:30 or a 1 to 2 only. So it's supposed to be delivered by 1:30 and it's again 2:30. The guy is not picking up a phone, nothing, no response, and it is like a delivering. So we cannot cancel it. Is also in meantime. We don't know what will happen. Maybe he will come in 5 minutes. So we don't know. So finally he gets it's in Pune. They use the big words like "Kshama karo," like something. They are using big words. I don't know. I got irritated. You should tell the thing. So otherwise I can cancel. I will order it. Otherwise I will go out and eat. The guy is not like him. I have a bike related parlor. Okay. So what are your issue? We don't mind it. What customer want, give it to him. You want a quarter-inch hole, make it possible. Don't give him a driller and you can drill it. Or don't give like I'm using drilling machine, or I'm using my hand, I am using my finger kind of stuff. So it's not a point. It is what customer want. You should get it. So that's the point of IT services. Okay. IT service management is the implementation and management of quality IT services that meets the need of business. The IT service management performed by IT service provider through the people, process, and technologies. People, process, and technology. Okay, through people, process, technology. So these are the points in the IT SMs, IT service management. So these are the always keep in mind, guys. So some people will tell like this in the service management, in a customer management. So the point is customer is a god. Never, never. There is a never said by any organization or any person. Even though they put a quoted from the Mahatma Gandhi, like Mahatma Gandhi said, customer is a god. He never said that one. Customer is a guest. Okay. So he don't need us. We need him. So like that's a sentence is there. Okay, customer is a guest in our premises. Okay, if you go to some shop, or you went to some place like Airtel, Vodafone. Last time I went to a small hotel, roadside hotel only. It's not, customer is not about a god or not god. They didn't mind about whether why you are came also, and even you told also they don't mind what you are speaking also. They are doing their work only. Okay. So that's also happened last Saturday only. Okay, last Saturday only it is happened. Okay, yeah, last Saturday it is not Sunday. Last Saturday only it is happened. So this is not the good point, guys. If you are in a IT business, you have to maintain these things. So that's why I told about the load balancers and failover to make the customer is should get a service even though server is down. You don't mind about what type of server you are using, what type of network you are using. What you want a service, you should provide a service. That's the only thing. Okay, so service are means of delivery value to the customer by facilitating outcomes. Customer want to achieve without a ownership of specific cost and risk. People want a quarter-inch hole, not a quarter-inch drill. IT service management is the implementation and management of quality IT services that meets need for a business. IT service management is performed by IT service provider through people, process, and technologies. This is about a small introduction in the IT services. there is always a question, what is the difference between ITIL and IT service management? And the versus command is there, no? So that is, what is ITIL? What is ITSM? What is ITIS? Guys, ITIL is a main, we are discussing, right? Entire organization wise we are discussing. Its ITIL includes infrastructure management, service management, business management, demand management, risk management, availability management, okay, incident management, problem management, uh, change management, release and deploy management. Okay, these are a lot of management things are there. ITL is a whole management kind of stuff. ITSM only concentrate on service related. In ITL, in the total ITL, ITSM is basically concentrate on service management. But ITIS is not belongs to either. It is infrastructure service. I didn't type fully, so you can understand, I think so. Otherwise, I will tell. ITIS is a infrastructure service. What is infrastructure service? Your profile only. Your profile is ITS profile, also called as CAS. Also called as CAS. Cognizant Infrastructure Service or IT Infrastructure Services. What is the meaning of infrastructure service? In any organization, we have a infrastructure, servers, data centers, storage servers, network components, firewalls. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, it is shows as a NSD or a PAT kind of stuff is there. PAT means program assistant trainee or something is there. Okay, that's a subfolder. Okay, in ITS there is so many parts are there. So you are in a PAT, program analysis trainee part. But this is infrastructure services, means management of your organization infrastructure kind of stuff. So that is point. So managing infrastructure, this ITIL includes managing infrastructure, managing services, managing business, finance, and other things also. Okay, customer management. So this is the point you have to understand. Benefits of ITSM. So improve quality provision, justified quality, service that meet business, customer and user demand, centralized process. Everyone knows their roles and their responsibilities. Okay, your what is based on your work. So you have to understand, you have to do based on that one only. You do not need to teach others what to do. Okay, do your work, understand your work role, and be work in that one only. So no need to tell like this is not my work, this is someone's work. That is also there. Guys, remember, there's a few things are there. I am unable to tell, like at least I have to take 3 days for ITL to complete the basic things. Okay, but 2 points are there. This is one of the point. Everyone knows their roles and their responsibility in the service provision. It means you cannot say like, hey, this is not my duty. You have to understand what is your duty and you have to act according to it. Okay, in organizations they will throw simply, yeah, I'm doing this one, I'm doing that one, this is not my responsibilities. That is not agreeable. That is called a KRA, key responsibility area. When you are joining an organization, they will tell about what is your KRA. Okay, next one is all about a process, guys. So ITL is about a process. ITL is not a tool, ITL is not an application, ITL is not a anything. ITL is simply a question mark. It's only questions are there. Only questions are there. And second one is process. how to manage this process. What is this process? These are questions answered, right? So the process is set activities designed to accomplish a specific object. It process contains process owner, process manager, process enabler, process controllers, process owner responsibilities also there, characteristics also there, functions, RICA model is also there. The point of thing is if you start a project, it is like it go by process. So who will handle this entire process? Any inputs are given. So the inputs are enablers. Enablers are will tell. So I need this kind of stuff. Or this is a issues occur. So these things we should improve. These are enablers. The controlling is the process manager will control the things. Take the inputs, process it, and consider the enablers wise, and we'll get the outcomes. Any issues are game in outcome also you have to check the outcome, and based on that we have to give certain feedbacks. You don't understand the last point, then it's okay, no problem. Okay. This is just an introduction, guys. So originally there is a 5 PPTs we should discuss about it. I'm in F drive only, so no problem. This is ITL strategy 1, design, transaction, service management, improvement. So tomorrow I will tell about service management part. Before that one I will go once all the life cycles if possible. So as a last point today, I'm telling once again, guys, just what you have to do. You can do it parallelly by reading it or maybe saying it without turn on the mic. So you can turn off the mic, but you have to chant it parallelly. So these things should be keep it in your mind. It is important. It is there in your syllabus, not funny. Okay. Again, ITL, IT Infrastructure Library. So most widely adopted approach of IT service management in the world. So first of all, what is ITL? Information Technology Infrastructure Library. ITL provide a practical, no-nonsense framework for identifying, planning, delivering, and supporting IT services to the business. So this is the first point. This is the second one. Okay. This is first one. Second point. The third point is ITL has a 5 life cycles. Service strategy, service design, service transition, service operation, and continual service improvement. Service strategy is basically identify what business it is. You have to plan according to it. In service design, design the service according to your planning and based on your previous experiences or previous designs or redesigning. Using certain tools, you can able to design it also. Service design. And develop according to the service. Development, build and deploy kind of stuff. Development, release, build. Personally say build and deploy. Develop, build, deploy, release. This comes under service transition. It means once design is ready, so make sure you have to keep the design safe and secure. And according to your design, you have to develop it, build it. You have to develop it or build it, almost same. So you have to develop, build, make sure, test it, and release it. Okay, everything is fine, then test it, release it, and finally release and deploy, or build and deploy. Right, deploy means finally hand out to the customers. So make sure everything done correctly. If everything is done correctly, there is no problems occurs. If in case any issues are occur, any queries are occurs, then you have to support to the customers and also monitor the service and our infrastructures and the service. Both are things. Customer end and our end. Both we should monitor it and troubleshooting it. Okay, troubleshooting any issues are occurring. And wherever things, what are the things that happen, collect the information from the life cycles analysis and support and improve and the above life cycles. So then it improves IT services, it reduces the cost, it improves customer satisfaction, productivity, improve use of skills and experience. Guys, this is a very big line. So you need to do entire big line. So read it up to here. Anyone can use ITIL. ITIL is a non-proprietary. So based on a best practice industry applicable to any IT organizations. That's it. This is plus ITSM. So compulsory, guys, blindly or better you should understand. Okay. First of all, so points are this point: ITL, IT Infrastructure Library, practical no-nonsense framework for identifying, planning, delivering, supporting IT services. Next, 5 life cycles. ITL 5 life cycle. This is point number 1. Point number 2, explanation of service strategy, service design, service transition, service operation, and continual service improvement. What is the meaning? What is there inside? That is important. So interviewer can able to ask only one single part also. So be careful with that one. Okay, that's why given short hints instead of writing big paras. What is the use of ITL? So you can tell this is the usefulness of ITL like that. Okay, guys. Fine.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. So practice today. What is ITL? What is ITL? 5 life cycles. What is ITL? 5 life cycle. That's only. I told big story and not required that much initially. Okay. Tomorrow what I will do it, I will explain few more things are there, and also I will explain what is service desk also. So I will try to explain service desk also. Okay. So the other service operation related things are there. So compulsory be there in the morning. So tomorrow morning I will try to complete, otherwise tomorrow entire Friday. So completely will dedicated to the ITL because it is their compulsory asking. Only leftover can be a middleware and PowerShell. If possible, I will talk to sir. Sir will also will take care 1 half day in the PowerShell kind of stuff. Okay, guys.
Okay, sir.
We have a time still. Have only 6 o'clock. Yeah, tell me. Okay, so what you will do? Study, guys. Study. Don't waste time. Study. Only this 2-3 weeks only, right? So maximum. So you can complete it very easily.